Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And this week we are going to unbox something like a mix of Let me just show you. So unfortunately, I'm not able to get 100% of the QK set because none of my connects actually has that. I mean, in Chennai, there are some shops they got like one or two boxes, and unfortunately, my shop doesn't did the connects. So whoever I buy, they don't have any so far. So let me just start with this. So okay, let me just take it out. Okay, so luckily, one of my good friend actually bought two of the major castings. So one is this one, the Ford Mustang Dark Horse. So this looks really nice. It has detailing on all the sides and also I really want to open and see how this one looks. And second one is this one, the Volkswagen T3 Custom. So these are the two castings which he bought for me, and I'm really happy that I actually got that one. So rest of the castings I'm yet to get. So but this week we are going to get some unbox Hot Wheels, but not from India. Okay, here is this the Purple Passion. So this one is a treasure hunt actually, as you can see here. So this one was bought to me by one of my good friend Jayesh. So he is part of my group. So he recently went to Dubai, and by the time of recording this video, he this day he actually gave this to me. He actually bought couple of this castings. Let me just show you. Here is the here is the second one. So one of my personal favorite, which is the Lamborghini Miura SV. So this is a 1971 Lamborghini Miura. So this one is the vintage racing series, and yeah, this one also I bought from Dubai. So these things we don't get in India nowadays. I mean, and this is my personal favorite by Matchbox. So the Toyota GR Supra. So I saw this in some other person's video sometime back. The rims and all looked really nice, and the detailing looked really nice. So I asked him to buy one for me, and he bought it. I'm really happy that he actually bought me all these things. And one more thing, this is this he bought for himself because this is not easy to get. But I'm really happy that he asked me to unbox it. So let me show that to you guys, which is this one. So this is the STH. I'm not sure what case it is, but you can see here the Volvo P1800 gasser. So this looks really nice. I've seen this in images and lot of Reddit conversations, but this is the first time I'm looking one in person. So I mean the STH version I'm talking about. So this looks nice, but we need to open and see how this one actually looks. So really thanks to Jayesh for this. Again, I'm going to return back to him, but I will be doing unboxing video of this by this week. So stay tuned, guys. So and one more thing, so today I'm just using a new white light. So because some people actually told me, the older light was a bit yellow tinted. Yeah, it is like a yellow tinted light to reduce the glare and everything I used. So I bought a white light. I just want to know your opinion how this one looks, because as usual I know the phone which I'm using has a privacy tempered glass, so I won't be able to see with 100% clarity like you guys are seeing in your phone or in your TV until or unless I upload it to upload it to my channel and I view it with my TV or in some other mobile. So let me know if this light works really well. The older one looked really nice. So based on your inputs, I will keep on using this, or I will just switch back to the old one. So okay guys, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.